Why does your scanner show the P2430 engine code? What does it mean? P2430 is a diagnostic trouble code for air system airflow or pressure sensor circuit bank 1. This engine code indicates that this system injects extra fresh air into the exhaust during cold starts to help the catalytic converter warm up faster and burn unburnt fuel. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty secondary air injection pump, defective air pressure sensor, failed air control solenoid valve, damaged wiring or connectors, bad one-way check valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet and Pontiac models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.